to 2020. Currently, he is an entrepreneur, has a venture named Cake Gallery. So welcome, Chef Chintamani, back to your house.
Thank you, sir.
I leave it up to ma'am to welcome him.
Welcome, Chintamani. I am so excited that you are back home and that you are back in Don Bosco College Hospitality Studies. I remember Chintamani being this quiet, reticent student who was always there on the forefront for anything artistic, whether it was decor, whether it was cake making, whatever it was. He was there front and center. But I think one thing that ignited him was the veg carving that was done in college, where he suddenly saw that he had this, unbounding talent for creativity, and his talent with his the skill with a knife and with onto cakes. And there's complete and utter dedication. What we see today is his journey from the beginnings of cake making and to now to this artist that he has made himself. Chintamani, I welcome you back and I am so happy to have you here. Thank you very, very, very much. All to you. I just want to say you have no idea how proud we are of you.
Yes,
thank you
very much. Thank you so much, ma'am. So before we start, I'm just going to show you some of his creations. Wherever he has worked for 6 years, we have a number of cakes what he has made, but I've handpicked a very few of them. So let's ask Chintamani about it. So Chintamani, there you go. Please tell us, what is this?
Good afternoon, first of all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm making this is for a logo make. We are making.
What is this logo? Can you tell us how did you make this logo?
This is for a logo, sir.
Okay. How did you make it? Is it printed or is it hand carved?
This is totally hand carved, sir. We are making total
Wow.
fondant. So we cannot use any cut or anything like that.
Wow. Hand carved a Ferrari. Wow. Amazing. Hand carved logo. Okay. Next. Yes.
This is one of customer. He likes too much.
Okay.
They like this Real Madrid. Total handmade.
Okay. Wow. Logo of a football club named Real Madrid. That is hand carved. It doesn't look like hand carved, but I trust you. I believe you. You're a complete artist, a true artist. Amazing, Chintamani. All right. Next, a birthday cake.
The birthday celebration.
Okay.
Wow. We have like red ribbon repeating some birthdays, but this blue decoration these are different.
Okay, so it was a themed cake. Wonderful. Oh,
now most of everyone knows.
Yes.
Everyone playing now. This is PUBG.
A PUBG, the online game.
Total handmade, everything. There's nothing like mold. Total handmade.
Wow. Amazing, yeah. All right, we go to next. Okay, just
take some.
All right, next.
This is the cake basket. We have some birthday gifts like this basket, and another is like a wedding cake.
Okay, so it's a tier cake, sorry.
Three-layer cake is coming big also, but this small cake like it.
But it's quite big enough, yeah. It's almost 4 tier, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so the last one.
This is all cosmetics that we are using on this cake, like we are making all handmade.
Okay, everything is handmade. Do you use any kind of molds, or it's just handmade?
Kits here, sir. We are using something.
Okay. Cool.
Cake cutter. These all tools we are using like cake decoration.
Okay. Wow.
Knife. We are cutting the fondant. Yeah, some small design decorations we are using this. This is the cake roller. for designing a ribbon, we need to roll. This is a concept. One is the plane, another is on the ribbon.
Okay, ribbon.
This is temper. We are using for the cake board, looking board, and any edges we need to give shape, better shape. So we are using tempers. These are the fondant cutters. Any shape we have different shape, but this is round. And we use coal balls. And this is silver dust we are using in cake. And most important in cake, this is the fondant. Fondant we are making handmade also, but if you make in the hand, it is coming too much expensive. So I buy one fondant from shop, and today we are making for this fondant cake. We have fondant also white, black, and red color.
Mm-hmm.
And have this room for designing, make cakes, giving shape proper shapes.
Use ribbon. Okay.
Let's start service. Today
Yes,
making.
please. We are waiting for it to dig in, to dive in for a sweet treat.
So we are making today the ladies cosmetics cake. So here we start from the cake board. First I apply fondant in cake board. So let's show you how to apply this cake board on fondant, and I show you how to match that fondant, like roll, knead, everything. Let's start now. So first of all, we apply water on cake board, because when we apply fondant, need to sticky fondant. If not sticky, then fondant going outside. So first we need to apply some water on that. That's it. Now it's finished. Now I will show you how to do the fondant.
So this is plain white fondant. Am I right?
We are using white fondant.
Okay.
This is for cake board. And whenever you're using fondant, we need to use corn flour because not sticking down. If we use any other flour, then it's when you make cake, then it's coming like rough flour, like surface coming in.
Right.
So always use corn flour, because if you steam, then corn flour is already dissolved in that. So I just some corn flour, and whenever you mix fondant, don't mix like dough, like don't rush too much like this. Only press like this. If you rush too much, then the dough is breaking. When you apply in cake, the dough already breaks, looking like break like this. So only press like this. No need to too much like dough kneading. See, now it's already done. Now I roll it and put in cover of the cake board.
Okay. So what type of roller is this? The rolling pin what you're using?
This is a special for this is fondant, because if you using wooden one, then most of them is sticky, but this one is plastic one, not sticky. So this is special for fondant, and we have another one, the small one. This is making for roses, everything giving shape.
Okay.
So we have two types, one small and another for fondant.
Okay. Amazing.
So whenever sticky, we need to use some corn flour again. Dust.
Now, is there any alternative than cornstarch or corn flour? Can you use powdered sugar?
No, sir. If you use powdered sugar also, when you steam that cake, then it's melting. If you use corn flour, then all corn flour dissolved in that fondant. So it's better to use corn flour.
So what you're trying to say is it probably stabilizes the fondant.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. More cornstarch. Does cornstarch affect the taste of the fondant?
No, it's not
No.
affecting about the taste.
Mm-hmm.
Only this is the for binding also is good, better for this
Mm-hmm.
fondant also. That's why we are using corn flour. If you use like powder sugar, everything, then it's melting sometimes.
Right,
If you
right.
take like 1 hour traveling, then
Mm-hmm.
start to melt. Now finish this.
Lovely.
Again we start to roll.
Okay. You're basically covering the cake board.
Yeah, because whenever we apply the cake, if not making this fondant, the board is some different looking.
Right, right,
Like
right. Looks different.
how it's looking. So it's better to cover fondant.
Right, right,
So the cake shine also looking good, and when you design also looking very nice.
right.
Now rest of all this I cut it.
Okay.
Now take out this.
Lovely.
And always don't leave fondant outside. If you leave outside fondant, then it's coming very strong. So you
It
cannot.
does harm. Okay.
So it's better to whenever you finish, cover it and keep it inside.
Okay, so what if we leave it outside, you forget it, and it becomes hard?
Yeah,
How do you
hard.
soften it again?
It's coming all breaking like this.
So how do you soften it? Any way of softening it or getting it back to normal?
Clean for roll and keep it outside. It's better. It's no problem. You can keep outside also. No need like freeze everything. So you can
Okay.
keep outside. Now I start to cramping this board design. This cramper, we are using the iron on the board, make some design. Just I'll show you how to make.
Wow.
We have different types of crampers. You can use any one. It's prefer on you. Which one is looking good for you?
Okay, very nice. Very
Customer.
nice.
We have plastic one and we have steel one also. So it's better to I think plastic one because steel one you keep outside, so it's sometimes not working also. Now it's finished clamping. Now we start from cake. Now I show you how to apply fondant in cake.
Okay. Lovely. So that's done. The base is done, ready to go.
The cake board base is done. Now we start from the cake. So I show you how to again knead the fondant and how to apply on cake and how to finish that cake.
Okay.
So first I take again fondant, white fondant. It's depend on you. Any color you can use. This is the cake. Yesterday I baked and I fill it, and the whole night I keep it in freeze. Whenever you make fondant cake, first thing is before one day you need to bake the cake and keep it in freeze to set. If you not set, then the layers when you make cake, the layers coming outside. And yesterday I finished this and I coating with the buttercream. Otherwise you can coating with ganache also, but I prefer better to coating with buttercream. if you not dough is not proper mix, then you cannot apply on top of the cake. So whenever you make cake, first you have to important is dough, this fondant need to mix properly. If you mix too much, then it's also breaking. If you not mix, then also if you will apply that time it's cracking all outside.
Mhm.
So first base is the fondant. If you fondant roll proper, then everything should go in very nice. Apply some corn flour again. See, when you roll this fondant, sometimes coming like this bubbles. Because some
Mhm.
also coming in. So when you mix, some air also coming on it. So that's why take knife and little like make and dissolve that hole. And one more thing, the dough don't like roll too much thin. Need to little thin. If you make too much thin, whenever you apply on cake, the inside the cake, everything looking outside, like all the shape
Okay.
coming finishing total. So that's why little thick make and apply in that cake. So here I saw how to apply this cake. This is the fondant now, and this is the main important. How to cover that fondant cake.
Mhm.
Easy to round cake to fondant cover, but if you have too much height, then it's very difficult to cover. Slowly, slowly. Now it's finished and plus with the.
Wow. The finishing is awesome.
Now I tied with sides. With this as well, need to tie it because if you not tie it, then
Right.
the air bubbles also going inside.
Right.
So when we put cake outside, then that's all the fondant going out. That's why
Right.
first you remove that air, whatever have in that cake.
Okay.
So I tied the all sides. Don't press the cake, only press the down fondant.
The base.
I'm not seeing any air bubbles on that. So it's better to whenever you apply cake, first see if you have air bubbles or not. If you have, please remove that air bubbles. Now cut the rest of all fondant outside one.
Hmm.
The rest of fondant I mix and I keep it in packet. Now it's finished for applying the cake fondant. Now I give some, make some designs also inside because it's plain, so need to some decoration. So
Right.
let's start how to decorate. I already before cut one paper like cardboard, that is triangle set, and you make you can apply like this. And I have one tool kit, make that roll lines on. So let us show you how to make. This type of lines you need to make same shape. So it's better to I use one ribbon and I mark how where to need to shape properly. Now mark the cakes all. So this is the dot and I put here.
Mhm.
First I make one side, then again I turn this side and I make. So that proper coming star like this, all coming. You can see here how it's looking. You see I already mark here one dot dot because the shape is coming proper. These all toolkits you can get anywhere in the shop. Have outside, you can get anywhere. Now one side finished and I make another side. So it's looking like cross. You can see here. I start from here because need to mix all proper. If you make like middle, then it's not looking good. So wherever I finish this start, then I can start. So you see how it's looking.
Yes, the design is perfect.
If you not measure, you
Mhm.
can direct do by hand, is not using cardboard, then it's not coming perfect, seven perfect lines. So it's looking different. So it's better to prefer cut like this one and apply. It's very easy and very fast to use.
Chintamani,
Yes, ma'am.
you remember your bakery teacher, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am. I remember, ma'am.
Aditya's on, so he's also come to watch you. So we have lots of nice people watching you. Aditya, your old teacher. I have a Miss Madeline from the States. I have a Miss Yvette from South Africa and Miss Brenda, besides all our students and your batchmates, okay? So Aditya, welcome and thank you for empowering Chintamani by coming on. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And now I make some this toolkit, some food, and I apply the balls. So the design is looking very nice. That's that I make the balls. See, two lines joined. We make this like what? Only plus like this little.
Hey,
We're not seeing that later.
You can see here now it's looking very nice. You can use here pearls also, gold pearls, yeah, silver, any kind of you can use. It's depend on you. Instead, I'm using all these pearls. Just like this, push little. No need to push too much inside. Like half inside and half outside. Put slowly, slowly. This pearls also you can eat. This all eatable. It's depend on any kind of pearls. Means you can use black one also, a golden. It's depend on you. Any color you can use. But don't use very small. It's not looking good. I think it's better to use little big, so it can look awesome. You see. Now finish with the pearls. This cake. This cake is melting, so I think it's put in freeze until maybe 15 minutes like this. Need to set again because the fondant also little coming water. Because I already yesterday put this cake inside freeze, so inside it will melting, the water coming outside. So it's better to put like 5 minutes inside freeze. So I put it inside freeze. Now we start to make that glossary all everything tools in top
Great.
design.
great.
This was black fondant, and now I will make the lipstick, everything, all this glossary items.
So does this black fondant have any kind of a flavor, or is it just color?
And all fondant coming vanilla flavors.
Okay, all is vanilla. Okay,
Cake, you can use any flavor,
okay.
like red, pistachio, nutella, lotus, anything. You can use any flavor if you want. You can use it, but need to before one day need to prepare and keep in freeze. Then you will make. Whatever any kind of flavor you make, first need to one night overnight keep in fridge. Need to set that cake.
Right.
Now it's finishing. Now I'm making the lipstick. First roll like this. Whenever you make fondant, don't keep any water inside, nearby here. Because if little bit one drop of water you found here, then that fondant start fast melt. And that's coming watery. So water keep away from here. Done this. I can roll this fondant and I keep little small one here the ribbon bow. So lipstick you will see that cover have two parts. This down one is and another is coming the cover part. So I make that one now. I need some corn flour because it's sticky in hand. You can use these cutters also use, but I prefer because see, these I make with by hand. So it's better you also make with hand, you can measurement proper. So that's why I told no need to use cutter also. It's better to use by hands. It's all easy, not like difficult too much. One more thing, whenever you use fondant, see I use different types of colors of fondant. Now I use white, so now I can use black. So white after I use black, so no need to clean here, it's okay. That can mix in black. But you use like red color, pink color, anything. So please first clean here the table, then use another one. Otherwise the little color change the all color that fondant. So first whenever you make another color mixing different colors, first clean your table. This is red color. We are using the top of lipstick. Which one you are using? Most of ladies. No need to take all because it's very small. Fondant mix is very important. Once you fondant mixing, whenever you mix, don't like we may mixing don't make like that. Simple like only press like this and fold. Press and fold. So it's coming perfect. The fondant is not breaking, and your cake also looking very nice.
Fantastic. That looks fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now the lipstick part is finished. Now all assembled together. I make all this need to assemble together. So see this is I already put but not joint because nothing here. So whenever you this all need to joint, use water. Drop of water and joint it. It's little, not too much. If you make too much, then all coming outside. Only drop of water like this.
And it would stick together.
Just I show you how to make. And this I make some silver color also. So I have here silver dusting. You can see. And I take one brush and I apply on it.
So is this silver dust edible, chef?
Yeah, total. This is also edible, so you can eat.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
edible. Okay.
See, whenever you buy, sir, so first ask him all edible because have some market also they are giving other.
Mhm.
So that's why whenever you ask why, see like this. Now we assemble all this together. I use drop of water. And now this use see, this one is the lipstick is finished.
Wow. Amazing. Yeah.
It's very easy to make. But your fondant, if your fondant mix proper, then you make everything very easy. If your fondant is not you mix proper, then whenever you make the fondant is breaking and fall down. Yes. Keep it side.
Lovely.
Now I make another one, the makeup set I made.
Wow.
So I first clean the table. Wash my hand because I have red color also. Okay, now we are making that grocery set one. Let's see. Use cornflour. Don't use too much cornflour also. Use little little. If you make more also, then also that fondant, when you roll is coming too much strong, very hard. So next time when I use, cannot use. That's why use little little cornflour. See, this is the color toolkit. Most of it is using different colors, means eyebrows and this. See, with the help of this toolkit, you can make that inside part round one. See, like this line. So it's looking like box. Yes. Now I keep here that different colors for eyes. They are using all fix everything. So I make that one. I have here some colors also already. Yesterday I mixed with colors. Again I use some cornflour because I mix here yesterday color. Color is liquid, right? So we use, it's better to use gel color, gel one. If you use liquid one, then it's coming like see. So it's better to use gel because if you are first time making, so I prefer it's better to use gel. See, this is a round cutter fondant. Here, push like this. This outside one. We take now another color, blue already done. And see, whenever you buy, this is all looking plain. So we need to give that looking like perfect that shape. So how it's looking? When you buy, you see some grocery shops like this. When you open that packet, see. It's finished. Like I make all this. Whenever you buy grocery shop or grocery kit and you see open like this top, because no one using, that's new. If you not make like this, then it's looking old, someone use and keep it there. So it's better to make like this top. This. Now I use pink color. Cut. If knife is sticky, then use corn flour, knife, and again use. Yes, now, see now I need to assemble all together. This is the board. I apply little water. Now this is finished. Keep it side. Now is the cake one. They have one bow. But you see that cake down looking empty. The pearls down looking empty. So I fill there one making like ribbon and one bow. First I show you how to make the bow. See? Some other items we are making like crown, that is need to stand crown, right? So in there we are using tilers. We are mixing in fondant, that's called tilers. If you use that, keep it 5 minutes outside fondant, that's coming very strong. So now this is no need to stand, only this attach that cake rounding. So I'm not using that tilers. Same I'm using here like ribbon. See this ribbon how I'm using. Same I make fondant and I use like this and I make one bow here. So it's looking Like it's not finishing here, so it's looking finishing total cake. So I transport this cake first.
Wow.
Transport the cake here in the middle. See, this is the bow. So sometimes you see bow like swing like this. We are using this design. So it's looking finishing total. The edge is not looking good now. Whenever I use this, after you see that's looking awesome. You see, I'm applying here slowly. No need to press too much. Finish. Now this one also bow top. Done this. I use some water in middle. Already my bow is ready. Turn it. I can use some water here. No need to use water too much. Like only apply in brush little.
Here you go.
You can see my bow is ready.
Yes.
And I do some shapes here. Bow is ready now. Now I make that ribbons. So I use some corn flour. Test my hand. Sides. Okay. Now I cut this same shape. Make a little big more. Finish. I can roll this. Now I roll this and put in cake down. See, this ribbon joint always keep backside the cake. If this is my front cake, here I make written happy birthday something I make. So always the joint should be backside. So see, this is my front side, and I apply some water because this is already not sticky. So need to use some water. Finish. So this is my front. Now I put here my ribbon also I attach here. Okay, and this again I use some water here. Now ribbon part is finished now. You can see here. Now the top one is garnish all this. I already make here. This is my front, so I keep here like this. This is all my lipstick. I keep here like Keep one more here. And now I make another one is the cut with the help of this cutter. Round one. This the same makeup one, but it's big one, single one. You can see this side also. Now I made the top down one, black color. This is the cover one. This use some again corn flour and this one make little bit thick. This red color I make thin, and this because this one is down part. So the box one. So box should be little thick. So we think, oh, this one have too much oil inside. So this one need to make thick. Now here apply some water again. Also finish. Now we make one brush also, makeup set brush. This one using all this for see. Make some design. This is the brush. Okay. Put here. A little water right here. Now maybe one but a liquid conditioner one, which one using for facial. I need to give it a shape, like a bottle small one. Now I make that liquid top one bottle. See. This was a liquid that cover one top we will cover like this. Now this one's also finished. Keep it here. With some water. This one also finished now. Now write this. So this is the makeup set. You know some brand have. So before I write one Mac company, I don't know that's good or not, but I write here because I know only that brand. I don't know this, so I write now. So I mix it with this silver color. With little water. I clean little table because too much. I'm trying to write that brand name company because already make groceries this, so need to make their name also. Now I make this all alphabets. I like write with this font. Mac company people is Now this part here. Okay. Now we are making A. And one more is C. Don't use water in hand. If you use water, if you make like these small things, it's sticky. So no need to use water anything. You can see. Now I put in top this box. This one is Mad Company. Little water. Take my paring knife with the help of. You can write with the color also. If you don't know how to make with fondant, then you can apply with color also, black color. Yeah, the edible ink pen also have. Now this cake is finished now.
That looks amazing, chef.
Yes, sir.
That looks amazing.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Now, how could you show us how to remove the white part, the cornstarch from it?
Yeah. The white part one is, see, we need to steam that cake,
Mm-hmm.
not in that hot water cooker.
Steamer.
We have one machine,
Okay.
so already have one steamer. I bring this one. We can use and add inside water. After steam coming, no need to put too much. Only little for finishing. The half cornstarch outside you see looking white. Can you show here? See, looking here all white, everything. And the finishing shining of the fondant is not coming still. When we steam that fondant all and looking very nice and shine also coming. So now I'm using this.
So you finish the cake by using steam method, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yesterday I'm not make cake and today morning time I make cake and I start to prepare all this. So it's impossible to finish this cake because the layers moving around in all outside coming, the butter cream
Right,
also
right, right.
cream also coming outside, butter also coming, total coming outside. So see now it's very strong. And this one at least 5 hours if you go somewhere travel, you can take. It's not melting if I have a SIM card. But if same date I make, I fill that cake, I bake everything do, and I make fondant. It's not looking
Not
like
possible.
this.
Right, right.
So whenever you make fondant cake before one day, before night, Now see all this white color. Now going
Yeah,
the shining also come very much.
has that sheen. The shine comes from the steam. So it lifts up your whole cake, indeed.
This is the main important part. If you not make like this, then the cake is not looking good. Means they everywhere have corn flour.
Corn flour,
Not,
right?
the fondant sign also not coming. So it's better whenever your cake finish.
Steam it up. Wow.
What is finished?
Amazing. Chintamani.
That is just
Madam.
beautiful, Chintamani.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. And I love that you know the best brand there is out there.
Yes, yes.
Absolutely beautiful. So I also wanted to acknowledge that we have one chef, Rajesh, also who's been watching. And Chintamani,
Yes, ma'am.
I was watching you with your hand kneading it. Do you ever does your palm of your hand hurt when you're doing too many cakes, or now you're used to it?
Yeah. See, ma'am, if you too much rush and rubbing, then it's paining. But only need to press that. Hold
Okay.
and press that fondant. Hold and press. No need to like too much press.
Oh.
And hold it.
Okay. So out of all the cakes that you have made, which one of the cakes has been your biggest challenge?
Biggest challenge ma'am, I make one time, they have one England, I forgot that the tower name. The tower is close one. Uh,
Big Ben?
Not building like this crossing. So,
Uh-huh.
so that one we make one time and fall down.
Okay.
The whole night we make again, prepare everything.
Okay.
Because we need to deliver in morning that cake.
Wow.
Because the tower is one band, not stand like this.
Right. So I also saw a lot of your cakes that you had made before out of buttercream, especially the one we posted on Facebook with the yellow bands and the flowers. Do you like working with buttercream also?
Yes, ma'am. Buttercream, ma'am, most of using inside cake. Because
Okay.
when I inside cream, normal cream one, whipping cream, if you
Right.
not use the cream, the
Right.
surface cream outside is not coming. And
Okay.
the layers, I'm not using that buttercream, the layers will not stable and coming outside like this. So it's better to use. But
Fondant. Okay.
Fondant, right.
Lovely. Melroy Chef, you want
Yes,
to
yes,
ask?
yes.
Any students want to ask some questions to Chintamani?
Yes, anybody would like to?
Yeah, we've got
have a
Joel
question?
D'Souza.
Yes, Joel, you can unmute yourself and talk.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Chef Shintamani. My question to you is, for example, in case of a wedding tire cake which has a multiple layers, if by mistake I put a wrong color fondant, is it possible to take it out back?
yes, see, if your cake is properly freeze, cake see when I make my cake is put it back in freeze because I need to cake set proper. If your cake is properly set, you can remove very easily fondant. If your cake is not set and you apply already fondant and you make wrong everything, then you cannot apply.
Okay. Thank you so much.
The cake should be fully freeze.
Yes, Chef. Yes. Thank you.
So, Chintamani, does now these fondant cakes, is it necessary to have an air-conditioned room?
Yes, sir. Fondant, if you have normal temperature, the fondant, coming dry also, and some fondant have coming liquid also.
Right.
So it's dependent on, but if we have AC,
Right.
it's better. See now I make now no problem, anything, nothing comes smoothly, my work also going. If there have no AC, nothing, then the process of sticky hand now, no sticky in my hands, any fondant, nothing. If don't have AC, then all the fondant sticky here,
Yeah,
and here also breaking sometimes. So I cannot do it properly in the cake. So AC is necessary. If I have someone expensive one, it's better he can make. AC or without AC also he can make.
Okay. So I would ask you one question, one last question from my side. So now, if you have made this cake, right? This lady's cosmetic cake.
Yes.
So can I store it in the refrigerator?
You
If I
can
want to
for
use it
2 days. No
for
problem.
2 days in the refrigerator, right? What if, that's just me. What if condensation takes place?
Yes, sir. If you want to put freeze,
Yes.
put in -18 degree. That's our deep one.
Okay. So deep freezer, you mean?
This one is not coming very fast ice.
Condensation doesn't, yeah.
Actually, already I keep that cake in -18 degree temperature because
Okay.
I need to full
Freeze.
strong.
Right. Right. It becomes hard.
This one, the fondant not melting even. The
Right.
color everything will be same. But be careful about water. If one drop water going there, the color all going outside.
It's gonna, right.
Freeze off, then cake color all this color coming down like this.
Right. Right. Right.
So important keep in freeze 2 days. 3 days is a minimum 2 days. You can keep freeze.
Okay. Thank you, Chintamani. Any students would like to ask our chef any questions? We are up. Please raise your hands, or you can unmute and speak. As you must have seen, Chintamani working so patiently. That's what it really needs. And I was questioning him in the middle. So I thought to myself, not to disturb him anymore. Otherwise, he might get through the cake. So I did not want to disturb him. But excellent job, Chef Chintamani. Your experience, we can see your experience so smoothly. You designed and you hanged, what you call it, you have made your all the garnishes with your hand. There are very few garnishes where you use tools, and
Yes.
tools, what you use, basic tools and cutters.
Important is in fondants, the most important is your hands. Because see, when I make that shape, if I little some paste in another hand, another finger, then that shape is totally changing.
Right.
You need to focus on the hands and smoothly because the fondant is very smooth.
Right. So thank you for taking out the time,
Thank you, sir.
Chintamani.
Thank you so much. And
Working from a couple of days with me. Thank you so much.
this is my before home.
So, on behalf of Chef Melroy, for coordinating this with you and my entire webinar team, all the guests that have come in today, and all the students, Chintamani, we thank you so much. I am beyond proud, but all I can tell you to everyone that's watching, Chintamani came to us in a batch when we really had very basic bakery classes, and unfortunately we were growing at the time. But one thing, I'm glad that we ignited a little bit with you, but what you have done is your journey, Chintamani. You have taken your talent, you have taken your skill, you have worked with discipline, commitment, and focus, and that is why you're here today. And you have got lots more that's going to happen to you. We're extremely proud of you. Congratulations, and thank you so much, Chintamani.
Thank you so much, ma'am, because you invited me here.
Thank you. And
Thank you.
to all our support staff that have been around helping you, Rajaram, Ravi, and Ahilia and Renuka, thank you so much. Melroy Chef, thank you for
Yes, ma'am.
keeping in touch with Chintamani.
Melroy sir, thank you so much. You are helping me too much now today. And that's very helpful.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you so much.
coming, Chintamani,
Yes, ma'am.
to the college and keep making time for us, because I can see you coming to teach.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
You are-
And most importantly, we wish you very well with Cake Gallery. I know it is going to be a brilliant success.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. And good night, everybody. Thank you.
Good night. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you,
You.
everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef Melroy sir.
Welcome.
Beautiful. Good night and thank you.